Look at them! Look at them! They're fireworks, yeah!
Fireworks are so cool.
I'm recording it. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Look at them! They're just boom! Oh, that was a good one. They're like changing colors. I'm getting up closer. No.
It's freezing out.
Oh, it's the grand finale. Carter, you're on YouTube. Look at them. They're just so pretty.
Hit up YouTube on YouTube, Jenny Bowden. Okay?
Is that your YouTube channel name?
No, it's his name.
Look at them. They're so pretty. Pretty. You should record this.
I can't. I have storage.
Delete something. Ah, they're still going. They're just like, bang, bang. Oh, that one was a good one. I wish I had my pop socket with me.
No.
So I could just.
Get a new one. It's coming.
Oh, those ones are good. Dun 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 dun. Whoa! What was that? Whoa!
Whoa!
How odd! I heard fireworks. I was like, what are those? And I was like, oh, they're fireworks. Okay. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie where they were launching fireworks, and it was like a Santa Claus one, and it was awesome.
I don't think you're supposed to launch.
No, they're
Christmas.
I don't think so either, but I can't believe they're having a fireworks show.
What if there's a competition?
Oh, that green one was awesome.
Look at it.
Oh, flossing. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. That was probably boring, but fireworks, yay. I'm gonna post this when I get